I'm the champ. 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 Well, I am. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon World Champion. I am your YouTube Shorts Champion. I am your alternate art pulling champion. So much gold holding me down, I don't know if I'll be able to stand up. Woo! And since you came back for more, I will give you 4 more. There's no dispute anymore. Undisputed gold. Me, the Phoenix Alexander Leviathan. Woo! Here we go. Let's get right into it. Brilliant stars. Chilling. Rebel clash. Battle styles. Evolving skies. That's right. That's right. And in case you didn't see my video yesterday, I pulled another alternate art, which is funny because this is another alternate art that I traded to PG for. I can't remember what I traded it for, but obviously I traded it for something good. I wouldn't just give up alternate art for no reason. But another alternate art I re-pulled. Let's go. So, to the stars, shall we? Brilliant stars. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Hidden in the Leaf Energy. Floetzel. Sigilyph. Pachirisu. Nosepass. Snorunt. Clink. Diende. Cubchoo. Rayloom for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 1, Sabin. What will we get? Manaphy, nothing there. That's fine. We have 4 packs left. Chilling Rain. Woo! Nothing like an alternate art pull. Code card. There's nothing like an alternate art pull, I'll tell you that. Fireball Jutsu. Curlia, Justified Gloves, Weeding Gloves, Larvesta, Mareep, Heracross, Clobbopus, Garuki. Scroll of the Skies for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 2. What will we pull? Woo! Sandaconda VMAX, and that gets the tie seal of approval. Get in there! I'm sealing it up on the recommendation of my boy, my guy, my buddy, my pal, Corvxnite. Corvxnite. If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. Woo! Rebel Clash. Let us go. Pack Trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Full Metal Energy. Pile of Sand. Tragic. Training Court. Lempens. Droopy. Snowvert. Bunicle. Daramaka. Galarian Style. Vulpix. Zatu. Oh, forget Zatu all the time. Zatu for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 3. Pack 3. Ooh, Butterfree. Very nice. Butterfree. Non-holo rare. Alternate art. Okay. Let me just pull up my chair a little bit. Let me just get a little bit more comfortable. Battle Styles. Let us go. My alt art came out of here yesterday. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Hidden in the Leaf Energy. Bruno. Carkle. Pignite. Honedge. Glider. Electabuzz. Bellsprout. Bell. Bronzor. Camping Gear for the reverse and for the finale. Attack 4. Galarian Slowbo. I got one nice, really big pull today, as you can see off the last 7 videos, I want to say. I've been doing pretty well with the pulls. Evolving Skies to end it off. Here we go. Let us go. Pack Trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Psychic Energy. Ryan, Flaffy, Pyroar, Bacon, Litleo, Lotad, Teddy Ursa, Cryogonal, Flitcherding for the reverse, and for the finale of Pack 5. What will we pull if I hit the race? Woo! Lycanroc VMAX. Let's go. 2 VMAXs, 1 video. Very nice pulls. Let's go. Sandaconda VMAX and a Lycanroc VMAX. There we go. 2 big pulls. And you've reached the end of my pack-breaking endeavor. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your YouTube Shorts champion. I am your Pokemon World champion. I am your alternate art pulling champion. And I hope to see you again tomorrow for more. I'll break 4 more plus 1. And Valor, please send him home happy with my warmest regards. And Super V, be pleasant. Please, if you will, invite him back tomorrow.